What's going on, mi gente? Louis the Boiler Man here. Your HVAC papi. Is that time of the year, baby. That's right. Maintenance season. Also AC season. We're here in the dead of summer. It's hot as fuck outside, and we need to do maintenance. Why? Because the units are not working efficient. We're getting calls, and we're getting bombarded with calls telling me, Louis, it's not working, it's not cooling, it's cooling, but it's efficient. Guess what? I tell the guys, maintenance, kids, man, I can't stress it enough. So guys, today we're working on this daytime rooftop unit. That's right, guys, the old unit is from 1999, baby. That was 1999 was a great year. So guys, we're gonna do the overhaul on this, and basically what you're telling the maintenance is basically cleaning out the coils. That's the first thing. So right now, I'm gonna show you guys this is the coil on the condenser side, which is right here. We also have an evaporator coil, which is inside this cabinet, right inside here. So we're gonna make sure it's nice and clean. Why? Because you need airflow. You need, these coils need to breathe. So think about in the outdoor element. There's a tree right over here. It's a big oak tree right here. And guess what? There's a lot of pollen, a lot of mierda in the air, and it just gets stuffed up. So guys, it's very important to do your due diligence and make sure you're doing maintenance. Guys, another thing is we want to make sure it's draining correctly. It's already draining, but we want to make sure because it gets a lot of shit inside the drain pan. We want to make sure that's clean. Check the actual belt, check the blower wheel, the blower motor, basically you're checking everything. We're checking all the essentials. So guys, maintenance is key is what I'm trying to say. And of course, once the maintenance is done, we're going to check the pressure to the unit and see if the pressure are accurate. This is an old R22 system, you know, so they have to be at a certain pressure. And if they're not, it's not going to work efficient. So guys, word of the day is maintenance. So stay tuned because I'm going to show you what it takes to make this happen today. That's right, maintenance. Wepa. officially a wrap. We just wrapped it up. We finished doing the maintenance. And guys, listen, I have the honor to be here right now on the roof, on this unit right now with the boss himself. This is my man, Marcelo from No Good Burger Joint. He called us. He had issues with the HVAC system. We've been friends for a long time. Listen, if you're looking for a good burger, come on down here to Boulder, New York, in Atlantic Avenue, because you guys got the fucking best smash burgers. But we're not talking about smash burgers right now. We're going to talk about HVAC because he needs cooling for his clients. Marcelo, first I want to say thank you for the opportunity, brother. I appreciate you. And I also appreciate you even calling us and concerned, because there's many other HVAC companies, but we're friends, and I like that fact that we keep it in the family. But I also want you to tell the people out there, or viewers, or people that are watching, like, what made you call us? What made you say, you know what, listen, I have an issue with my unit? And also, when was the last time you did your maintenance? And be honest.
Last time we did the maintenance was about a year, probably a year and a half ago. Louis good with marketing. He's always in your face. Everything's in your face. Every time I go on Instagram, I see him. So as soon as I seen that things were a little bit off, shot him a text. Yo, Lou, can you get over here? He's like, I'm finishing up a call. I'll get to you by the end of the night. 8 o'clock rolled around, showed up. We shut everything down. We jumped up on the roof, checked out what was going on. We set up a service call. They just knocked out a deep chemical cleaning on the unit itself. All the pressure seems to be running right. Gave it a little Freon charge. And everything's going good so far. We're going to go downstairs, check it out, make sure it's running good, and all the customers will be happy today. Yesterday was a hot one for you guys.
That's right, bro. Marcelo, appreciate that. Guys, this is what it takes, guys. You know what? Like, I'm not telling everybody to be like me. There's only one of me. There's only one HVAC Poppy. But what I'm trying to say, guys, is that, like, you know, I take the extra mile, especially if it's my friends, my family, people I know, my love, and people I care about. I do take the extra mile because it means a lot to me. And that's how you stay in business for many, many, many years, right? But also, you know, it was a hot day. And I just want to tell people out there, listen, I'm not trying to preach, but I tell guys, if you want to run a business, the best business you can run is doing customer service and doing the right thing. And I'm glad, because I'm very transparent. Listen, I have the boss up here. Not everybody comes up to the roof, but I also want to be trying. I take video, I take pictures. Listen, I put this amount of charge. It costs this amount of money to charge it. It's not cheap. This is what needs to get done. And, you know, and just be transparent with your clients. And the transparency goes a long way, because people see that. So guys, if you're watching and you're in business, you're in the HVAC business or any type of business, that's the way you want to do business. Listen, my man does the best smash burgers, and he does the same thing. He does the same thing. He markets himself. He puts himself out there, and it's the same thing. The only difference is he has food, and I have an HVAC business. But guys, the most important thing is a happy customer, and that's what matters to me the most. And that's smile. Smile. That's the fucking smile I want. So guys, if you need this HVAC Poppy come to your business, your home, who are you gonna call? You're gonna call this handsome son of God, Louis the Baller Man. That's right, at 516-377-5200. And the count of 3, Wepa. 1, 2, 3, Wepa!